Hello students of class 3, welcome to our e-learning class. This is your science class. You actually know that we have started our term 1 syllabus. We have started chapter 3, housing and clothing. We will continue with the next part of the chapter. In our previous class, we have completed the chapter. Now we will go to the exercise of this chapter 3, housing and clothing. So let us open your book. This is your book, Mastering Science. Let me open the exercise of chapter 3. Your page number is page number 21. So we will solve the exercise. Let me start. Exercise. I am writing here exercise. Page number 21. Number A. Tick the correct answer. So tick the correct answer. Number 1. You have to choose options are given. You have to choose the correct option. So number 1, what is a house made up of bricks, cement and steel called? Is it igloo? Is it tent? Is it pakka house? So your answer is yes. A house made of bricks, cement and steel is called pakka house. So I will write number 1, pakka house. Number 2, the floor should be swept and mopped every what? Week, month or day. Yes, the floor should be swept every day. You have to tick mark that one. So I have ticked it out. Number 3, which of the following fibers is obtained from plants? Is it wool? Is it cotton? Is it wool and cotton? So you actually know wool is obtained from the body of the sheep. So answer is cotton. So your answer is cotton. Number 4, we wear woolen clothes to keep our bodies warm, cool, healthy. So we wear woolen clothes to keep our bodies warm. Number 5, I saw a house made of canvas. It was a, so I saw a house made of canvas. It was a stilt house, igloo, tent. Yes, it is tent. So this is your, we have completed A. Tick the correct answers. We have completed. Now we will go to section B, which is match the following. Number B is match the following. Column A and column B. I am matching. I am doing the answers here. Flies. Sideway. I am doing the matching answer. See here. I am not writing column A, column B. Will do side matching. Okay. In your book, you can do number matching. You have to do the number matching there. No need of line matching. You will do the number matching. But here I am doing the side matching. See here, number 1. Flies. What is the answer? Here answer is spread diseases. See column B, number C. It is spread diseases. So answer is number C of column B. It is spread diseases. Number 2, windows. Your answer is C, column B, number A. Let sunlight in. Let sunlight in. Number 3, fur clothes. Your answer is keep us warm. Column B, number D, keep us warm. Keep us warm. So number 4, drainage system. See, drainage system, it is number B of column B, takes dirty water away. Drainage system, it is number B, takes dirty water away. Okay, match the following. We have completed. So flies spread diseases, windows let sunlight in, fur clothes keep us warm, and drainage system takes dirty water away. Now we will solve the number C. Fill in the blanks. See, fill in the blanks. Number 1, most of the towns have dash houses. So most of towns have what houses? Is pakka houses. Number 1 is pakka. Number 2, a pakka house is dash. Yes, it is very strong. Your answer is very strong. Number 3, the windows and doors should have proper dash to keep away flies and mosquitoes. Yes, answer is wire netting. Okay, I am writing the answer here. Number 3, wire netting. And number 4, we must keep our house dash. Yes, dirty or clean? Yes, we must keep our house clean. Okay, so I am discussing the answers of the fill in the blanks again. Let you do that one. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given word. Words will be not given in your exam. Only fill in the blanks. You have to write the words in the blank provided. Number 1, most of the towns have pakka houses. Number 2, a pakka house is very strong. Number 3, the windows and doors should have proper wire netting to keep away flies and mosquitoes. And number 4, we must keep our house clean. So students, up to this much today we have revised. We have done the exercise. Actually, we have done the exercise to A, B and C. In our next class, we will continue the next portion of the exercise. Means we will continue with number D. So before stopping the class, let me tell you that in the keywords, means you have to learn the keywords. Remember, keyword is your one-word answer. Nomads, suppose nomads, people who roam around from place to place, you will learn as one-word answer. So up to this much today. See you again in the next class. Thank you very much.